the 7 o'clock bus left me. Like I that wake up early for enough to get the 7 o'clock bus and it, yo. So I just reached in a bus right now. Me and one passenger. So now I have to wait until the bus load and thing. So right now I have to just go and wait and left out right now, go up on the 2 week break and enjoy myself and when the bus start move off, get some clips and we just do it 2 toes, 1, 2, 3, boom. Pick up on yourself. I'll see you in the morning when Christmas Day. You understand? Enough love and respect. Yeah. You know, there's one special thing we can say about Christmas. That a Jesus birthday. And the most popular man when this comes to December. So it's Christmas Day today. I wanted to vlog yesterday. Yesterday was a good day. Christmas Eve. For some reason, it's the first time in a long time I didn't feel to vlog. So far, I don't hear anything about anybody, but I'm sure that at least one person get locked up this Christmas because Jamaica we live in here now. Jamaicans, they don't really obey. If Jamaicans were disciplined enough and listen to the rules that are placed, Jamaica would be a better place because there's always going to be at least one person in the group that will not cooperate. But just have to live our own lives, focus on yourself and do what you have to do. You talk, they don't listen. They have their own lives in their hands and don't listen. Good for them. Right now I'm walking to my grandmother's house, Don't know Christmas can't come on, see no. Channel star. Yo, dog. Could I show me just one boy coming here with naked a while ago? Jesus Christ, I want me in 2020, so a little boy look like him about 2 years old. I run off like a Tarzan. Well, I know man, people. Yes, you don't know it's a boy can come. You understand? I know the video might be a little bit short, you understand? But we just have to do what we got to do in this moment in time and crisis, A few more days, 2020 soon done. We're waiting until, a lot has happened. A lot has happened in the past few months, but, everything happens for a reason in life. And that's what we learn and we live and say, yo, in life, everything happens for a reason. Understand? I know you guys might have been expecting a Christmas vlog, a lot of videos, but your boy never feel the vibe this Christmas. My Christmas, it never feels so merry to me this Christmas. You understand? Grand market, I want bag of people, I'm sure say get locked up. Is everybody the Jamaica where they know people they not obey, you understand? So right now, yeah, I just want to say Merry Christmas to everybody. I feel away. Can you imagine? Even though your boy never posts, I have Instagram, I have Twitter. Even if you never have an Instagram account, you could have create one and tell your boy Merry Christmas. Even though you never have my number, I'm in no business. If you tell me already, tell me again in the comment section right now. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it come. You understand? So it's your boy right now, right here. You don't know some more videos soon come. More videos soon come out. You understand? We're just waiting patiently until 2020 floats away. You understand? We improve more and more every day. You understand? We get better every day. You understand? So I just want to mention a Merry Christmas. Even though your birthday day gone already. Merry Christmas. And a happy prosperous new year when it come again, you understand? So you just big up on yourself, stay tuned, you understand? Enough love and respect. You see me? Yeah. And see you next year. Probably not, you understand? But peace out, is it? No joke. Yo, I remember yo, if you like, subscribe, comment, and share with a share no man. Tell a friend, and a friend. You understand? Tell a friend. What I do, man? Tell them say you have lit content over here. Alright, anyway, I'm gone. You see me? Remember, you know, comment and share too. Alright, I'm gone. Remember, you know, you see it. Yeah, man. Merry Christmas. And